Hello everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to fix sorry we couldn't validate your login in Minecraft. First things first, this is the very common. Ensure you have a stable and strong internet connection. Considering that Minecraft also uses data, try restarting your router or modem, unplug them for 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Second, some users have reported that manually changing DNS settings can cause this error. Reset your device's DNS settings to automatic. Third, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus to see if they are still blocking the Minecraft's connection. Fourth, synchronize your time and date. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Date and Time, enable Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically as well. Lastly, be mindful as well because the sorry we couldn't validate your login error can occur if authentication servers are down or experiencing issues, so it's worth checking out.